A cough is a strong expiratory reflex that helps our bodies empty mucus and secretions from the upper airway. However, when it lasts for a long time, it is referred to as a chronic cough. We made this video to discuss the medical definition. I give a quick summary of the subject, so if you're ready, let's get started. A chronic cough, as previously stated, is a cough that lasts for several weeks or months. For a cough to be considered a chronic cough in adults, it must last for at least 8 weeks. In children, a chronic cough just needs to persist 4 weeks to be classified as such. Coughing is one of the most common symptoms in individuals with lung disease. Impairment. It is characterized by a strong expiratory reflex that aids in the expulsion of secretions, as well as components from the lungs. Certain receptors in the larynx, trachea, and mouth cause this reaction. As a result of the stimulation of your bronchi, your body naturally conducts a powerful maneuver to keep your airways open so that your lungs can take in oxygen during normal breathing. An inhalation is followed by a forceful exhalation against a closed glottis in the cough maneuver. Then there's a strong evacuation of air from the lungs, accompanied by an open glottis. The distinct coughing sound that we are all familiar with is important and serves a purpose when it persists and is categorized as a protective reflex in healthy persons, but when it persists and is classified as. The majority of chronic coughing can be quite frustrating and uncomfortable for the patient. Coughs can be caused by asthma, post-nasal drip, or gastric reflux. Infections can also induce coughs, cause chronic coughing that lasts even after the virus has gone away. Infections such as the flu, pneumonia, and TB. Chronic coughing can also be caused by certain blood pressure drugs. As a side effect, the treatment for a chronic cough varies depending on the cause. The root cause. Again, we only intended to give you a quick overview in this video. We'll go into this issue in greater depth in a subsequent video, so stay tuned for that. Please do me a tremendous favor and hit the like button. It greatly aids in the support of the channel, which I greatly appreciate. Thank you, and while you're there, click the subscribe button because we'd love for you to join us. Thank you so much for sticking with me all the way to the finish. Have a wonderful day and, as always, take it easy, my friend.